Hello! Today you'll learn how to write in Russian so that any Russian speaker can understand what you've written. And no, it's not in cursive. There is actually no need to learn it in the very beginning. You can do it much later, and if you're interested. We'll be using block letters. Right, this is the way kids learn writing. Some people continue writing this way because it looks clean. But what is more important, that you'll be asked to use block letters when filling out any forms in Russian, whether it's at a bank or at the airport. So again, if you're in any situation where you need to write in Russian, this will be the way to communicate it clearly so that any kid or adult will understand it without any problem. While cursive writing styles can obviously vary from person to person and may be quite difficult to read. I'll also give you a link in the description where you can find the file with my example of Russian handwriting. Let's start. How about you try and write down that simple dialogue from our previous lesson and then share your results. I'm sure you'll do great.